Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. A bit of information for those who are just know us. Here we are presenting recipes in a form of ASMR cooking videos. So we are providing some cooking tips and relaxing vibe to our subscribers. Today, we are going to share 3 popular tofu menus on Chinese restaurant. Aren't you guys curious? Please watch it until the end. Here we go. Let's get cooking. The first menu we are going to show you is MAPO tofu. So, we need to dice 250 grams of silk tofu and boil tofu for 1 minute in a hot water with salt to get rid of bad odors. Cut and chopped 150 grams of chicken thigh fillet. Chop 3 cloves of garlic into fine pieces. Thinly slice the ginger. Two chives. Now in a bowl, add half cup of chicken stock. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of sweet soy sauce. Mix it well. Now heat 2 tablespoons chili oil in a pan. Add the chopped chicken. Stir fry until it doesn't clump. Then, add a little bit more of chili oil. Add garlic, ginger, and chives. Add chili paste. Pour the chicken stock mixture. Add enough salt, pepper, and stock powder. Add a pinch of sugar and mix it well. After that, add the diced tofu. And stir it gently and let it cook until bubbling. Then add cornstarch. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a pinch of chives. MAPO tofu is ready to serve. Next up is SAPO tofu. Let's go. We need 1 pack of Japanese tofu. Cut tofu 1.5 centimeters wide and coat it with cornstarch. Fry Japanese tofu until golden brown. Lift and set aside. Next, cut thinly 1 medium carrot. Cut 1 broccoli into bite sizes. Cut squares 3 Chinese cabbage and 1 stem pokcoy. Cut 1 or 2 black ear mushrooms into small pieces. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Thinly slices half onion. And thinly slice 1 ginger. Now boil broccoli for 30 to 40 seconds. Then, drain and put in a cold water. Boil the carrot for 20 seconds, drain and put in a cold water as well. Heat the cooking oil in a wok. Stir fry onion, garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add cooking wine, this is optional. Add mushrooms. Add 150 gr shrimp ball, seafood or squid. Add carrot and broccoli. 5 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Half teaspoon fish sauce. Add 200 to 300 milliliters water. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Enough salt and pepper. Add Chinese cabbage and Pokcoy. Stir well. Add cornstarch. Add fried Japanese tofu. Add 1 teaspoon sesame oil. SAPO tofu is ready to serve. Our last Chinese favorite menu is mun tofu. So we need to cut cubes 1 pack of silk tofu. Cut lengthwise 2 green onions / scallions. Now, heat the cooking oil. And saute 2 sliced ginger and grounded garlic. Then add 200 grams of ground chicken, saute them until the chicken cooks. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of pepper powder. And pour 250 milliliters chicken stocks. Then, add the tofu and pour cornstarch in. Add the scallions. Add half teaspoon of fish sauce. Turn the fire to low heat. Cook for a while and your mun tofu is ready to serve. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below and see you on the next video. Thank you.